This is the ceramic fan heater. I have it plugged in, so this is showing that it's plugged in. Turning it on. And then the remote. I had turned the volume off, but I'll turn it back on. We've got 3 settings for the temperature. And it does put out the heat. And then on the remote, but also up here, you can decide if you want to set a timer. The instructions kind of go through all of that, setting all of that up. So, turn it off. It has 22 seconds of blowing out like the rest of the air. I like the height and that it's very lightweight for picking up, so easy to move from room to room as you need it.
So it's not that small, not that big. You can see this is my chair and this is the size. I put it for my birds right here. So yeah, it works good, good heating. So I think it has 3 system. 3, yep, here. Setting, eco, and fan only. So I like the eco hit, and you can also rotate it. You see? That's good. Okay. Very good quality. I like the quality.